Hi, Justin. So today we're going to talk about the work that you did yesterday for your math. So I'm going to make a list of the steps that we do when we get a two-digit adding problem. So we draw a line to separate the numbers. We start in the ones, then go to the tens. So that's our checklist. So the first one, this is just an example, but I would draw a line to separate by place value. That just makes sure that when we're writing our numbers, that we're lining our numbers up and always starting in the ones place. Because sometimes students write numbers, but they're not lined up, so they don't know what to add. So our numbers are on top of each other, and we're starting in the ones place. 5 plus 3, and that is 8. If you didn't know what 5 plus 8 was, you could cross off the big number and use the dots on the small number to count up. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we did our doing our line, and we started in our ones place. Now we're going to our tens place. 4 plus 2. So we cross off the big number and count up. 4, 5, 6. So our number is 68. So it looks like you forgot to put lines through your numbers. So I'm going to do that for you, and I want you to do that on your next assignments. So I'm separating by place value. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. You did a nice job. Separate by place value. Start in the ones. 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. 98. Separate by place value. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. So it's 97. Separate by place value. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. Nice job. Separate by place value. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 6 is 8. Separate by place value. That one's right too. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Nice job. Separate by place value. 3 plus 6 is 9. If we count up, we do 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Oh, Miss Shade forgot to separate by place value starting off. Oopsies. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. Separate by place value. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. And you even try to do the tricky one. So we separate by place value. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Wow, you did a really nice job on this one. And these ones were right too. So I just want for the next week, because we're going to do working on these problems next week, just because we only had one day of practice, try to separate by place value, and then start in the ones and go to the tens. You did a really nice job, Justin. So for your math today, it might be kind of hard, but they're goals that we're working on this whole year. So I'm going to have you add big numbers together, and I just want you to try your best.